Okay, here's a little update on the server build here. We've got a fan in the bottom here, the bottom of the case, sucking air up from the bottom. We've got the SSD here in the removable drive bay. Down there is the 1 terabyte Western Digital Green drive. And the PC power and cooling silencer power supply. Very good power supply, very high quality. That is sucking air up from the bottom of the case along with the fan here. So that's the air intake for the power supply is down here, and then it's just exhausting out the back. So none of the air ever is pulled in or blown out inside of the case. The power supply is raised up about 1/8 of an inch in case the bottom is blocked off, so it can still suck air in. Again, the fan, I'm not sure what the size of these are. I don't know if that's a 180. I guess I'm not sure. Bigger size than the 120 millimeter here, though. So got the front of the case on here. Got the drive installed here. Nothing special about that. Case is very open on the front. The air intake on the bottom here. And that's about it so far. Everything that can pretty much be installed is installed right now. We have to wait for the CPU coolers to be able to put the motherboard in, and can't really do any wiring until the motherboard is in as well. Got the wires all cleaned up here, the case connections here, and got the USB connections here. We just tied up the audio cables. We're not going to use audio, don't need it on the server. We'll hook up the external eSATA connector here, and that's about it. It's pretty much done for right now. I've tested the power supply here, and we're good. Everything looks like it's supposed to. It's running. Got air out the back here, and I think that is about it so far. So that's the server. That's about as far as I can go right now, and I'll post more later.